Journaling is a deeply personal practice that comes with absolutely zero external pressure. I think of it as a private conversation with myself, where the only rule is total honesty. It's a way for me to unload my feelings and organize my thoughts. The beauty of journaling lies in its complete freedom. You can write, draw, scribble, or even paste random things that mean something to you. As an introverted and reserved individual, I've discovered that internal processing can sometimes become overwhelming. Which is true for any individual, to be honest. Some people tend to keep everything inside, our thoughts, emotions, anxieties. In this case, journaling becomes a safe, private outlet for all those bottled up emotions. Sometimes it's difficult to be vulnerable with people, even our loved ones. You can be completely honest with your journal without the fear of being judged. The act of writing helps transform abstract feelings into concrete thoughts that you can actually examine and understand. Many times I found myself going through a difficult time where I felt completely lost. I'd pick up my notebook and start writing. I'd surprise myself with the clarity it brings. Everything would slowly start to make sense. I could pinpoint to the real cause of my distress, the feelings that I'm feeling. It doesn't necessarily solve my problems, but it definitely has the ability to save me from my emotional stress. And isn't stress the root cause of half of our problems? And on a less serious note, all my ideas for YouTube content come from my journal entries, my words, rereading them to see if anything works, and then turn them into a more cohesive script. There is something profoundly grounding about traditional pen and paper journaling. Digital writing feels easily erasable, while handwriting forces you to be more deliberate and thoughtful. The physical act of writing creates a deeper mind-body connection. Mistakes become part of your story, not something to be instantly deleted. Each stroke of the pen is a commitment to your authentic self. I started with weekly entries. You can choose a frequency that feels comfortable. Some weeks you might write pages, others just a paragraph, or even just a word. Combining art with journaling adds another dimension to emotional expression. It allows non-verbal emotional expression. It creates a visual timeline of your experiences. Journaling should feel like a gift to yourself, not a chore. And if it does, give yourself a break. At the end of your day, you are reflecting how you've been feeling, what's bothering you, or what went great. Each entry is a snapshot of who you were at that moment. Accepting and loving all versions of yourself is part of the journaling journey. There is no right way to journal. Your journal is exclusively for you, so let's embrace imperfection and celebrate your unique journey.